From this moment on, the men will be constantly torn from their beds and punished for indiscretions.
For inspection, port, arms, DS, inspect the weapons.
Have you cleaned your weapon?
Yes, sir.
A soldier's weapon is his most important possession. It must remain within reach at all times and be impeccably maintained.
Yes, sir.
Sir, candidate.
Sir. Yes, sir.
Remove your receiver.
That weapon is filthy.
Where's your gas plug, candidate?
Can't answer that question, sir.
You have a missing gas plug for this weapon.
That's inexcusable.
Sir,
Place your weapon back together.
Sir.
The DS have reported back to me, and what they've reported is totally unacceptable. The weapons are filthy, rust, dust, mud, fluff. Not only dirty weapons, weapons with vital components missing, lost. You just don't get it. PDIs!
Sturdy, sturdy. June 1996, the regiment lost a number of soldiers in a Black Hawk accident. How many soldiers died on that day from this regiment?
15, sir.
15. 15 warriors who were at their peak, stripped from this regiment like that. 15 is a number we're going to work with tonight.